how did the animals learn how to speak? Or rather, how did we lose our natural ability to understand other species? You know, in children books like Mary Poppins or Dr. Dolittle, we often encounter characters who are capable of communicating with other species. Not only that, how about the whole fairy tales like The Wolf and the Seven Little Goats, or the Little Three Pigs, or the Little Red Hood? So, did our ancestors simply impose their own idea of verbal communication onto other species? Is there really nothing serious behind it? I tried to question many German puppeteers as experts in this area, but I did not get any reasonable answer. So, is there really nothing serious about it? How about ornithologists here in Europe who do understand bird singing? Or how about scholars trying to develop artificial intelligence that would translate our human wishes for other animals? Do we actually need this sort of artificial intelligence? How about people in Southern Africa who have been living together with lions for centuries, who have been pacting and hunting together and understanding each other? Do you want to find out more about it? Stay tuned. I am now in London at the International Airport. The goal of my journey is to find out where the animals learned how to speak. My destination point is, guess where?